the brief for us was pretty straightforward. Help us save a couple $100 million on packaging. A couple of years ago, I was working on an interesting packaging project with a team that was dispersed all over the world. And this is during COVID days, so it was all online. The goal was to come up with a series of packaging solutions or ways to reduce packaging, short-term, medium, and long-term. A creative project, so to say. There's one thing I really noticed working with them. I noticed that a lot of people who were a bit younger, hadn't been in the business that long, had super creative ideas. They came up with things like really cool ways of folding packaging in such a way, almost like Japanese origami style, or using packaging made out of coconut husk, or having certain colors that would make it more appealing. All these different massively creative and often unique ideas. Many of these ideas involved new packaging materials and often even new technologies. And testing some of these ideas got me to think about that saying, just because it's unique doesn't mean it's useful. To give an example, let's say that you were to make boxes out of a different material. Well, they tested that with new and alternative materials. They found out, for instance, that with this new material, you could only stack a pallet with boxes this high versus normally that high. And that's the problem. Or perhaps it was a really cool way of folding it, which looked great, looks fantastic design-wise, but it would take infinitely more time to package them and to put them together, which would then require more either robots or people to put those things together. So not particularly time efficient. And in the end, the biggest gains came from less glamorous solutions, such as maybe moving an assembly line closer to another assembly line and therefore saving time moving in between them, or even like a new printing solution of a new material, which would make every bit of plastic packaging 30% lighter because of this new material. Not necessarily creative, but definitely useful in this context. Of course, creativity is valuable, but originality, uniqueness, should never become more important than solving the problem. So how about you? Are you looking for the most original idea? Or are you looking for the one that creates the most value?